So I'm curious, have you ever used AI for renovation? We've done a lot of major renovations and home builds, and we're having so much fun identifying the different ways that AI can support in some of these areas where we would have hired a professional in the past. So with these big projects, you might think, I need an architect, I need a structural engineer to help optimize my space, map out the floor plan, identify structural challenges. AI can do a lot of that with you, from analyzing your existing space, to choosing your materials, to brainstorming the ideas, even identifying inefficiencies in your plan before you even begin demo. Now, I'm not saying that AI should replace the experts when they're needed. I'm simply saying that sometimes you don't need an architect or an engineer. You just need someone or something to help you get your vision across the finish line. And that's where AI can really help you DIY smarter. It can save you time, it can save you money, it can save you unnecessary guesswork. Here's how. First, budget. Anytime you need help getting estimates and zeroing in on budget, AI is your best friend. Number 2 is selecting materials, comparing, contrasting two different ideas, determining what's best for you. We recently did this to determine which insulation, fiberglass or spray foam, would be best for our project. Number 3 is to compare labor estimates. Number 4, and my personal favorite, is as a brainstorming partner. If you have a space or a property that you're trying to determine what to do with it, AI can give you ideas that you might not have even thought of yet. So it has saved us tons of time, tons of brain space, not having to do all of the legwork ourselves so that we could focus on making the right decisions.